The KOOLUX X11 is a robust and versatile electric bike engineered for riders who demand both performance and adaptability. Combining a dual battery system, wide all-terrain tires, and a foldable frame, it strikes the perfect balance between power, endurance, and convenience, making it equally suitable for daily commutes and adventurous weekend rides. At the heart of the KOOLUX X11 is a 250W motor that delivers smooth yet powerful acceleration, capable of reaching a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour. This efficient motor ensures steady performance across urban streets, light trails, and challenging terrains, offering the flexibility to handle a wide range of riding conditions. The e-bike's dual 48V 11.7Ah lithium batteries combine to create a total capacity of 23.4Ah, extending its range to an impressive 150 kilometers per charge. This configuration provides long-lasting energy for extended journeys without the need for frequent recharging, ideal for riders who travel long distances or enjoy exploring off the beaten path. Both batteries are removable, allowing convenient charging at home, at work, or while on the move. Designed for stability and traction, the KOOLUX X11 features 4.0-inch fat tires that effortlessly grip asphalt, gravel, dirt, or sand. These tires enhance control, absorb shocks, and ensure a smoother ride over rough terrain or uneven roads. Whether navigating through city traffic or riding along scenic countryside trails, you'll experience consistent comfort and safety. The foldable aluminum frame adds to the bike's versatility. Lightweight yet strong, the frame ensures easy transport and compact storage, perfect for those living in apartments or who need to fit the bike in a car trunk or RV. Despite its portability, the X11 maintains excellent rigidity and durability for everyday use. Riders can choose between 3 distinct riding modes to match their preferred style and terrain. The pedal assist mode delivers smooth, efficient motor support as you pedal, while the all-electric mode uses the included throttle for effortless riding without pedaling. For traditional cyclists, the classic pedal mode lets you rely entirely on leg power. Together with the 7-speed Shimano gear system, these modes provide versatile control, allowing you to climb hills, accelerate on flat roads, or cruise comfortably at your own pace. With its blend of advanced features and intuitive design, the KOOLUX X11 stands out as a high-performing, eco-friendly electric bike that adapts to any lifestyle. Whether used for commuting, fitness, or exploration, it offers the reliability, power, and range to make every ride efficient and exhilarating.